lovers and hobbyists have another reason to visit this Freeport with the opening here of the Magaul Bird Park, Jest Camp's newest tourism attraction, which offers the world's first half 1,000 birds show. Wings of the World, produced by an all-Filipino team, unveils the majestic charm of birds found in forests around the world, from Africa to South America to China and the Philippines. Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority Regulatory Group OIC Ruel John Cabigting, who was guest of honor during the park opening, lauded the newest attraction to Central Luzon's best tourist destination, saying this will attract more tourists, especially bird lovers. Wings of the World is an ambitious project. According to Mr. Cabigting, this is the first in the world and no other theme park has ever done this before. Katrina Lakap, General Manager of Magaul Bird Park, affirmed that the Wings of the World show presents an ensemble of our bird buddies with the underlying theme of environmental protection. Ms. Lakap says that for the first time ever in the world, Wings of the World's grand finale will bring half 1,000 birds on stage from all directions of the Alula Amphitheater here at the park.